In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a WooCommerce store in just about 5 minutes. Let's dive right into the heart of constructing your online shop with WooCommerce, the world's favorite e-commerce solution that gives both store owners and developers complete control. We'll be walking through the process of setting up your store step by step, providing explanations and additional tips to ensure you have a smooth experience. First and foremost, start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center where all the magic begins. From here, you'll find a plethora of options, but our focus for now will be on WooCommerce. So go ahead and click on the WooCommerce option. This step is the gateway to diving into the world of online selling. Once you've clicked on WooCommerce, you'll be met with an invitation to customize your store. It's crucial at this stage to tailor your store to meet your needs and to stand out in the competitive online marketplace. Therefore, do not hesitate to click on Customize Your Store. This opens up a world of customization that's key to brand identity and user experience. Following that, you'll be prompted to start customizing. This is where your vision starts to take shape. Clicking on Start Customizing will lead you to a section where you can literally tweak every part of your store's appearance and functionality. Remember, the design and ease of navigation can significantly influence your store's success, so take your time here to experiment with what looks and feels right for your brand. Now onto a more exciting part, choosing your theme. Click on Browse Themes to explore the wide array of pre-designed themes WooCommerce offers. These themes are designed to cover various sectors and styles, ensuring there's something that perfectly matches the essence of what you're looking to create. Selecting a visually appealing theme that aligns with your product and industry can dramatically enhance your store's allure. After browsing the themes, go ahead and select a theme that resonates with your brand's identity. Each theme has its unique set of features and aesthetic elements, so consider what aligns best with your products and brand strategy. This decision is more than just about looks, it's about how your products are presented and how user-friendly your site will be for your visitors. Once you've chosen your theme, it's time to head back home by clicking on Home. This will navigate you back to the principal dashboard of WooCommerce within your WordPress. It's like coming back to the starting point, but with a significant progress milestone checked off your list. Next, we'll add your products. This is where your store starts to come to life. Click on Add Your Products, and you'll be taken to a section where you can begin listing the items or services you're selling. Whether it's handcrafted items, digital solutions, or anything in between, this part is exciting as you'll start to see how your store will look to your customers. Lastly, for those who are looking to offer various product types, clicking on View More Product Types will reveal additional options that can cater to different kinds of inventory, such as subscriptions, memberships, bookings, and more. This flexibility ensures that WooCommerce can grow with your business, adapting to your expanding inventory and evolving business model. There you have it, step by step. You've started the journey of creating your very own WooCommerce store. Remember, the key to a successful online store is not just in setting it up, but in continuously optimizing and updating your offerings based on customer feedback and market trends. We believe in learning by doing, so go ahead, explore and tweak settings as you become more comfortable with the platform. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope it has demystified the process of building a WooCommerce store and that you're now well on your way to launching your online business. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on making the most of your e-commerce journey. Happy selling!